In this video, how to use audio fade tools in Camtasia. Using audio fade tools in Camtasia is a great way to make your audio transition smoother and more professional. You can fade in or fade out audio at the beginning or end of clips to avoid abrupt cuts, which enhances the overall quality of your video project. There are two main types of fades you can apply to audio. Click on the beginning of the audio line. You can apply these directly to your audio creating a slope that goes from 0% volume at the start we can add audio to 100% using the duration of the fade. Zoom in on the audio portion of your clip on the timeline to make it easier to work with. In the timeline, you'll see an audio line running through the audio clip. This is the volume control. Click on the beginning of the audio line and drag it downward, creating a slope that goes from 0% volume at the start to 100% over the duration of the fade. The steeper the slope, the faster the fade. To fade out, go to the end of the audio clip, click on the audio line, and drag it downward, creating a slope that goes from 100% to 0% volume toward the end of the clip. The second way, it can be done using audio effects. In the audio effects panel, you will see options like fade in and fade out. Drag and drop the fade in effect to the beginning of the audio clip on the timeline. Similarly, drag and drop the fade out effect to the end of the audio clip. After applying fades, you can adjust the duration and smoothness by dragging the effect's edges in the timeline. Make sure to listen back to your audio by pressing the play button and adjusting the fades until it sounds smooth and seamless. If your audio needs further adjustments, go to the Properties panel and find the Audio tab. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.